我得点说到了。
3、2、1，开始。
Good afternoon. Now we are going to give a brief introduction of our final assignment. This is Xinyu Zhang and Bofei Zhang. The title of our research is Competitive Study Evaluating the Impact of ENL and EFL Teachers on Students' Pronunciation. We divide our assignment into 6 parts. First one, introduction. English as a lingua franca has spread worldwide, and according to this picture, we can see that China is from the third one, expanding circle. So the development of English in China is influenced by globalization, and as the rise of China on the national globalization stage, the entire Chinese society place a high importance of learning English. This leads to the English fever, which means proficiency in English has become regarded as a key to success, career, and life for individuals. And English become compulsory from grade 3. But Chinese students faces different difficulties in accurately pronouncing English words and phrases. So this is because of the unique examination education system in China. So we only focus on the examination-oriented strategies. And here is the objectives. To explore the performance of Chinese middle EFL learners in specific pronunciation, vowels, and consonants under different circumstances, and to evaluate the impact of ENL and EFL teachers on student pronunciation. In order to achieve the above objectives, the study attempts to answer the question below. Does the teacher's English pronunciation affect students? If yes, to what extent the teacher influence them? In what specific ways does the teacher influence them? Here is about the literature review. Firstly, importance of pronunciation. According to many scholars, an accurate pronunciation facilitates smooth communication, boosts the confidence of language learners, contributes to students' success in classroom and even in their socialization. And here are some previous studies on specific pronunciation problems. And after discussion and searching for this information from the internet, we know that one of the most common pronunciation problems is related to the articulation of individual phonemes or combination of phonemes in both vowels and consonants. Like in consonants, we don't have an in Chinese, we tend to pronounce it as s and z. So the safe, we tend to pronounce it as safe. And the other one is the frictive zh in pleasure poses a challenge for generally 90% of students that they cannot articulate it correctly. About vowels, we don't have minimal pairs like short vowel e and long vowel e. So it is very difficult for us to distinguish sheep and ship. And finally, the last one, we tend to add a following the, b, t, k, and add w following p and b. So and tend to be and, should, hope, soup, have.
Okay, and based on the former parts, here's our methodology. The first is theoretical framework. This research will be based on the framework of second language acquisition and articulatory phonetics. What's more, the International Phonetic Alphabet will be used for comparative testing. The second is our research design. This study will adopt a mixed research approach, and we will use both qualitative research and quantitative research. And then it's a sampling. Actually, our research will invite 60 respondents from Xi'an Tieyi Middle School and the 30 students from the international department, and they are taught by ENL teachers. The other 30 students are from classes receiving general education in China, and they are taught by EFL teachers. Then it's about instruments, questionnaires, tape recorders, pens will be needed. and then data collection. 60 participants will be assigned to 2 separate rooms according to the respective classes. And then they will rate 10 sentences from the structured questionnaire in turn. And after recording, the teaching assistants and researchers will carefully listen to the tape and make note of any words that are pronounced inaccurately. Last is data analyze. We will use both qualitative analyze and quantitative analyze. The research will use a questionnaire to find out whether ENL and EFL English teachers have any influence on students' pronunciation. The second, this study will unify the reported part of questionnaire and present the survey results in percentage form, explaining the test content and features. Here is the ethical considerations because we know that our participants is junior high school students. So as the researchers, we will first get consent from them and their guardians. And this research will also protect their anonymity. Last is our research expectations. Based on the problems found, feasible suggestions are put forward. So we hope that this research can provide a good paradigm and atmosphere for students or English learning. And here are the references. Thanks for your listening.